Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've got about 10 more days until my trip, and I've been receiving packages and haven't even opened all of them. But I want to share with you some of the things that I've gotten should come in handy for the trip. So let me know if I miss anything. I know for sure what I'm going to need is a small toolkit and also a tire repair kit. Those two items are still on my list, but let me share with you what I have. Alright everyone, this is just about everything. It doesn't look like too much. I was actually worried how I'm going to pack all this, but I think this should work. So starting over here on the left, I got a headlamp in case I need it at night or early morning. Hopefully everything goes well. But the nice thing about that is I got a way to check my tire pressure, and also it will pump up my tires. So I can do this every morning and check it. Depending on how early I'm going, who knows? I just may need this lamp. So that's great. Here I had a video already that I actually updated all my LED lights. I said that a few videos ago, that that's something I definitely wanted to complete before the trip. That's done. Got this, the headlamp, a way to check my tire pressure. But this also has some USB ports, so I can also use it as a charger, which is great. I've got a tank bag. I got a small one. I didn't want it too big because the Road King has the knob on it. We'll see. I'm gonna have to test this out, but I think it's gonna work. I'm trying out my tank bag. Seems good. It's this is the only thing the reason why I didn't want to get a bigger one is because of this. It's not a big deal, and if it would have been bigger, it probably wouldn't have fit. And I also have this just about 3,900 milliamps. This was recommended by one of you guys I should get one. So I got this, and I'm actually probably going to use it to keep my cameras powered while I'm riding, which is great. I'm probably going to put it in this bag and just have a wire hanging out of it. Here's my rain gear. Everyone, no matter if it's summer, was saying get rain gear, so I've got some rain gear. Hopefully this is my first set I bought for a motorcycle. I think I'm gonna have to tighten up the legs so they're not too close to anything hot. On Doodle, I did see that she recommended these boots. They work pretty good, rain boots. So we'll see how they work out. I'll let you guys know. They look kind of funny, but hey, if it keeps my feet dry, that's what counts. I also did get some new earplugs, Decibullz. I have some now, but they kind of come loose and it feels like it echoes in my head, and these are supposed to form right to your ear. You have to put them in hot water and then push it in your ear and let it shape. So something I have to do. My trip's only in 10 days and I've got so much to do. Just to be safe, I also got this so I can jump the motorcycle if it has to, if the battery's dead. So this is great. And also you can use it as a charger, which is good. Hopefully that's enough here. This is just going to be just for an emergency, or maybe someone I'm riding with, their motorcycle dies. So we have this. And I have a Garmin GPS. This is one thing I said I wanted to get. Let's look at it this way. I had to figure out how to install this. Again, 10 days and I have to get this on there somehow. I'll figure it out. I've gotten a lot of advice from people I've spoken with that I've ridden with just on short rides, and they don't recommend using your phone for long trips if it's in the rain or if it's too hot. It's just not very dependable. So to be safe, I got this Garmin. Let me know if you guys have it. Let me know what you guys think. One thing is, for when I'm at a hotel, I've got this Kryptonite lock to lock up the motorcycle, and my neighbor he lent me this. It's a disc lock from Germany. He said go ahead and use this So I'm gonna try it out. Hopefully once I get going, I'll probably just use one, maybe just this one, or who knows, maybe just keep using both. We'll see. But these are the things I've been collecting to prepare for this trip. Again, the things that I do need are a small tool set and maybe something to fix my tires on the side. The nice thing is if I do get a flat and I'm able to fix the tire, I have this little air compressor that I'll be able to inflate my tires with. And there's one more thing. Hold on. So here's the last item. I picked up a drone to try to get some nice shots out there while I'm on the road trip. This is actually the Mavic Air 2. It also has the follow me option, so it can follow me depending if it's allowed in whatever area or road that I'm on, which I think is pretty cool. I haven't even opened it up because I'm still taking some online classes on it, just so I can be prepared and get educated, so when I open it up, it's not foreign to me. So really looking forward to having that to get some better shots for this trip. I also picked up a filter for the camera, which is supposed to give you really nice shots. Yeah, this is nice. It comes with a bag, some extra propellers, the controller, 2 batteries, and of course the drone. So this should be fun. On my trip when I take off, I'm hoping to be able to use it if I, with so much to do within 10 days and learn this, that my confidence is there to be able to use it on the first leg of my trip. But once I get to my first stop, I'll be there for a week. So if anything, I'll be learning more about it while I'm out there. So that way I can use it for the remainder of the trip. I don't want to just lug it around and not even use it. So looking forward to giving you guys all these shots. So yeah, that's all my stuff. Give me a comment. Am I missing anything? Again, I'm missing a small toolkit and something to fix my tires if I get a flat. Those are definitely on my list to go get. And of course, I already have my Saddlemen bag. I have a video about that. I think I can get everything in with just that Saddlemen and my 2 bags. So this weekend, I'll probably do a test run with everything. But leave me a comment if you feel like I'm missing something or am I going overboard. I really look forward to your feedback. I really thank you all for watching. Almost at 1,000 subscribers, which is awesome. And that's why I'm so happy to do this. It's great hearing all the great comments and to stop and take the time to film, document my road trip and share it with you all is actually one of the highlights of this trip. All right, everyone, take care, stay safe.